Period pain is so common. And in fact, it's one of the most common complaints by women when they see their gyno. I wanted to share some of my favorite natural supplements that help with period pain as a naturopathic doctor. And for those who don't know me, my name is Dr. Alyssa. I'm a naturopathic doctor and I specialize in gut health. Our periods are often seen as the enemy, they're inconvenient, they're a hassle, and they're the bad guy. Because so many of us experience cramping in the first few days of our period. And if you're having cramps for 3 days in your period, that adds up to a total of a month throughout the year of cramps. I often find it's very important to address the root cause and find out why these cramps are happening, but also helping with symptoms. Ginger is really good during your period because it inhibits the prostaglandins that are constricting blood vessels, limiting blood flow to your uterus, causing cramps. Magnesium is another one, and it's been shown to be useful to supplement throughout the month to help with possible deficiency, but it also decreases the spasms in your uterus during the times of your period. An herb called cramp bark is also really helpful because it addresses the nervous system and it brings a calming energy, and it helps with pelvic congestion and muscle spasms in your uterus as well. And this will decrease the pain of the cramps during your period. Head over to the link in my bio to get my favorite period support supplements. But please keep in mind that everybody is different and you may get different results. Consult your doctor before making any changes, and if you suspect you have a medical condition.